Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I get this Bratz doll kind of a look. It's super quick and easy and your lips will be looking luscious, so let's go. So I'm starting off with moisturized and exfoliated lips because I feel like, in my opinion, it looks better and feels better on moisturized lips. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this dark brown liner. It's actually for your eyebrows, but we're going to use it for our lips today, okay? Try to find a very dark liner. You can use black if you want to, but I felt like black was a little too harsh. And make sure you can really blend it in to actually clean up the edges of your lip. So guys, I'm not a professional, so please don't be coming for me in the comments. You can give me advice, I'm open to it, but it's kind of how you say it, okay? So right now I'm just aligning my lips with the pencil, and we're just gonna call it a lip liner, okay? Nobody has to know that it's an eyebrow pencil, okay? That's between me and you. I'm just aligning it, and guys, please excuse my facial expressions and my finger in the camera. If your lips are smaller, you can overline your lips, but please don't do it too much. Try to make it look very, on the natural side. As you guys can see, I sharpened my pencil a little bit and I'm just gonna keep going. My cupid's bow, I'm really trying to perfect that part. Please try to do it because it's gonna help you in the end. For the newcomers, welcome to my channel. My name is Abrona, aka Brony. I make natural hair and beauty, also lifestyle videos. So if you're interested to see more of my videos, then please subscribe down below and turn on your notification bell so you can stay updated with my videos. This is where I go in to clean the edges to give it like a very sharp look. I do have a brush, but I couldn't find it, so yeah. I'm just gonna use this very normal regular gloss. It's the type of gloss that's like a little liquidy. Yeah, it's a little liquidy. It's not like the thick one, and I'm just patting that on my lip. You have to really pay attention to how I'm applying this. I'm patting it in my lip, and as I'm doing that, it's kind of blending the liner to to give it like a gradient look. So try this and it will help you. I'm not using any special gloss or whatever. It's just like a regular one that you can find at a beauty supply store, so that's why I didn't put any names in the description. You can go ahead and clean the edges one more time, and then I'm going to apply another layer of lip gloss, but this one is with a thicker gloss. It's super thick, you guys. Like, it's really thick. It's thick. It's gonna look a little black because it was in my pencil case, and pencil shavings, they get everywhere, so please don't mind that. I'm gonna use the same method. I'm just gonna pat that into my lips, or onto my lips. I'm sorry. Onto my lips or into my lips, to keep that brown on the outside and not to, drag it too much on the inside. You can add some more gloss or some more lip liner if you want, but that is literally it. That's the whole look. Like, guys, it's super simple, super easy, and super quick if you gotta go somewhere, and it goes with everything, almost everything, okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.